There are more tsunamis in the Pacific Ocean than any other. So in 2004, the world was taken by surprise when one of the largest recorded tsunamis of all time took place in the Indian Ocean. On December 26, 2004, Indonesia was rocked by the second largest recorded earthquake ever, 9.2 on the Richter scale. Minutes later, a 90-foot tsunami slammed into the Southeast Asian coastline. 225,000 men, women, and children lost their lives.
The Indonesian earthquake had as much energy in it as the total energy consumption in the United States in 1 year.
This enormous burst of energy had been released in just seconds. Once again, the world had been reminded of the Earth's awesome power. In the last 50 years, scientists were finally able to confirm a solid link between earthquakes and tsunamis. Although the Earth may seem to be a solid sphere, beneath the oceans and continents it is divided into 8 major and many minor segments known as tectonic plates. Where they meet, they can grind and jostle against each other at fault lines, causing earthquakes. Geologists had long thought that the Cascadia fault line was incapable of generating a major quake. But Atwater's investigation has proved that it was highly active. The big worry for Atwater and the thousands of people who live in this region is that the Cascadia fault line bears an uncanny resemblance to another highly active fault line, the Sunda megathrust. It was an earthquake along this fault that was responsible for the Indian Ocean tsunami that killed nearly 250,000 people.
Where we get 2 tectonic plates coming together, such as in the case of the Indonesian tsunami in 2004, one plate pushes beneath the other plate and creates lots and lots of friction and tension and drags the upper plate down with it. And that process can take hundreds of years, even thousands of years. It's a very slow process. But eventually, the pressure of this one trying to push back up again wins, and it flips like that. And that creates a megathrust, a sudden movement of the seabed. And that's what creates a phenomenal tsunami.